Welcome to Love 500 and welcome to the Love 500 how-to series. Today we're going to show you how to get a petrol cap off, and if you've got a petrol cap that keeps clicking and doesn't turn and lock, we're going to show you how to cure that as well. So the easiest way to get a petrol cap off, lots of people panic when they get to a petrol station and they can't get it off, and they put the key in and they turn it and it's just turning and turning and turning. So the way you need to do it, the best way, hold on to the little handle bit of it, turn the key and then get hold of the handle and turn the handle, and to put it back on, turn it, turn the handle, turn the key, and it's on. Now I'll show you one more time. Put in the key, hold the handle, put in the key, turn the whole thing. Now if sometimes when you put a petrol cap back on, when you turn it, it clicks. This one was clicking and I've just fixed it. Rather than locking, it just clicks and clicks and clicks and goes round and round, and when you lock it, it won't lock. The easy way to fix this, all you have to do is get some WD-40 and spray it around there. That's all you need to do, a little bit of WD-40. Give it a little bit of movement like that. Put it back in and it'll be fine. So it's that movement there. That shouldn't click. That should just turn. That clicking noise, there you go. So I'm clicking that turning it too far, that's why it's clicking. But that's already locked. So if you just turn it and get that noise, that's when you need to lubricate it. Put it in, turn the whole thing, turn the key, take it out. That, my friends, is how to lubricate a clicking petrol cap and how to get the petrol cap off. Hope this has been useful. Hope you've enjoyed it. Please subscribe to the channel. There are lots of how-to videos on how to do various things on a Fiat 500, only on Fiat 500s and our baths. And there's lots of projects for you to follow as well. Please like, share and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.